We are back on this hellish landscape of a mod. Please don't tell me I'm gonna die again. Oh god, help me, help me. There are two slimes chasing me and the guide won't do anything about it. No. I can't end the I can't start the video with a death, can I? Can the guy do anything? Good. We started a video with a death. Nice. Why is he running away? Please help me. I'm murdering this. I'm murdering this one. Good. Okay, I think 27 torches are enough. We'll probably get torches on the way down. Please tell me I'm gonna find a cave this time. Tin ore? Really? Tin ore is the worst. I hate it. I just see some random ore and then I think it's iron and it's tin. Is that iron or is that tin? Thank God. Found something. More tin ore. Jackpot. Let's go. I hate my life. Oh, what is this? Found something. That's iron. I'm gonna need that. Now what's here? I'm scared. Bro. Where do we go? Wait, we already went down that path. Oh. I can't see. I can't see. Help. Let me get up. Bro. I can't get up. Hopefully we won't die. Oh wait, I forgot there's a dart trap here. Oh, come on. Why am I this stupid? I forgot I had healing potions. Found something. Found some silver. Bet. What's down there? Is that glowing mushroom? Oh, stupid jellyfish. More iron. I'm pretty sure I'm running low on torches. That's a problem. Oh, I'm a mistake. Help. Oh. Okay. I'm never using ore excavator ever again. More tin. I'm gonna kill myself. If I find another piece of tin, I swear to... I know. That's fun. Pretty sure with 19 platinum we won't even be able to make anything though, so... By the way, if you're interested in this content, like and subscribe. It helps me out. I don't want to go into the underground desert. Help me. I thought 27 torches was a good amount to go into a cave. Turns out I was wrong. Glowing mushroom biome. Glowing mushroom biome. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We need this. We need this. We need this. Okay. Please tell me we're gonna find torches. We didn't find any torches from those clay pots. Seriously? Die, die. Yeah, that's what I thought. How is it not dead yet? Die. Thank God. I want to get that silver, but at the same time I see that. Okay, I got a plan. I got a plan. We have rope. Yeah. Wait, that's platinum. That's not even silver. Let's screw the plan. Let's screw the plan. I'm not. Oh God. What am I supposed to do? Die. Okay. Good Lord. Lord, I'm not dying. I'm not dying. I'm not dying. Thank you. There's a life crystal there, surrounded by 13 piranhas. What do we do? Oh, I got a plan. Let's make a bow. A bow would work. We desperately need life crystals, so this is a do or die situation. Just make sure nothing gets in the way. Wait, where are the piranhas? Don't tell me they just left. Where are they? Wait, there's another. There's another life crystal. No way. We need that. Okay. Get this. Use it. Let's go. Yo, wait. This, you can aim properly? Wait. Why doesn't aiming work though? Okay, let's go. We got 2. I'm gonna just get myself to 9 hearts and then I'm gonna stop because I don't want that Cthulhu to randomly spawn on me. Okay, I think we're done with that glowing mushroom biome. We got a lot of stuff. Oh God. Get away, get away, get away, you fiend. Is that how I pronounce it? Oh. Get away. Wait, that's not a bat, no. I think... Okay, I think we're safe. I stand corrected! I think we're safe, and then just gets shot by a dirt trap. Wow. What happened here? Why is there so much slime blood now? What did the guy do? First off, we need a... Can this get away? For the love of... You know what? I think my next step... I want to build a bunch of houses. I'm just gonna make a bunch of boxes. Yes, that'll work. I'm so good at building. Damn, this is the best house. This is the best house, I swear to God. Terraria building of the year, and bro, it's amazing. Wait, what? How does that work? Wait, what did I just do? I need someone in the comments to tell me what I just did, please. I don't know what I just did. Hold on. Okay, so this is where we died. Hopefully we won't get hit by that dart trap ever again. Oh, we're gonna get hit by that dart trap. Oh. Don't get hit by that stupid dart trap. Good. Good. What am I supposed to do about this? Is that a ruby cave? That's a ruby cave. We need that. We need that. Oh my god. How is he not dead yet? Finally. Might as well. Oh, come on. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Run away. Run away. I'm dead. No. Yep. I just lost 64 silver? Really? And I don't think I'm getting that back anytime soon. I think we're able to go into the desert now since we have a lot more stuff. Really? Another one? Yo, we got a good bag, no way. Bro, we got drip. We got drip. We have the Dracula drip. Oh, finally, a minecart track. This will be perfect. Oh god, I don't want to go into this. Wow, really? That's not good. So we found a minecart track that led to a trap of all the things, and a red slime that almost killed us. Oh. Oh. Why is it just out of the blue though? I think it's a dead man's chest. I don't want to go near it. Also, there's like 15 slimes guarding it. You know what? No, I got the perfect idea. I got the perfect idea. Come on. Let's go. I'm so smart, man. Hermes boots, yes, that's the first chest we find. We get Hermes boots. That's perfect. Alright, so we're actually making progress, and I almost got hit by a boulder, but anyways. We're making progress, and that's another mushroom biome. Yep, we're making progress. Extractinator, you know what? That's actually useful. Fossil armor. Since I wanna go ranger. But we're getting everything we need. This is perfect. Now there's this guy. There's a... Oh, what? How did he... We're dead. We're dead. Die. Oh. Oh my god, that was so close. That was so close. That was actually so close. I'm not dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. I think I'll end this episode right now. We got a lot of good stuff. Hermes boots and extractinator, which we'll need. So I think I'm pretty happy with ending it. We also got like 2 life crystals, which is good. So have a nice day.